Hey guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show you how you can easily download Tango on your PC. So what you want to do first is click on the link down below in the description, and when you're gonna do it, you will get right here to Ldplayer. To actually download Ldplayer, you have to click here download Ldplayer, and I created a tutorial on how you can actually install it. So you're gonna choose download Ldplayer, and here you're gonna just press install. And you're gonna choose a path where you want to install it. And now when you have it, you just want to go to here, System Apps, and click Play Store. You want to log in with your account and just paste your tango live stream and can press install. Now let's just wait until it's going to get installed. And press open. And now I'm gonna press next, next, next. And here I got like someone. And yeah.